But I want to start to place in the minds of the public that whatever you choose to build, there is a better way to build it. So as I came in on the course and I looked at some of the houses, and I encourage you when you're driving, you could do the analysis as well. You will have one house right here, its roof is gone. And right beside it, there's another house of similar quality, its roof is intact. As you drive around, you go and observe it. So yes, a Category 5 hurricane is likely to destroy many roofs. But the impact of the destruction can be reduced if, when you are building, you utilize not just the available material, but the available construction knowledge that is tested, tried, and proven.